like that there's noises.
Hello.
I hate you.
Yeah. Many decades ago, a gallant pirate sailed across the tides. He went by the name of Davy Jones. He was a gifted sailor until he ran afoul of that which vex all men. He fell in love with the sea. He would be given the Flying Dutchman, as well as the sacred task of ferrying souls who died at sea to the worlds beyond. Because of that love, Davy Jones agreed to set foot on land once every 10 years, where Jones would be free to be with Calypso. But when Davy Jones came ashore after his 10-year duty, he was forsaken by Calypso, who was nowhere to be found. So when the first Brethren Court, made up of the 9 pirate lords, convened, Davy Jones plotted with them to tear the rule of the seas away from Calypso, in which the brethren would then imprison her into the body of a mortal woman. Jones was the one who told the brethren how to bind Calypso into human form. Through 9 pieces of 8, all together in a bowl, they bound her with an incantation. The 9 pieces of 8 are as follows: a goblet from the Lord of the Black Sea, a plastic eye from the Lord of the Caspian Sea, an ace of spades playing card from the Lord of the Mediterranean Sea, glasses from the Lord of the Pacific Ocean, a jade ring from the Lord of the South China Sea, a Siamese wooden ringlet from the Lord of the Caribbean Sea, a golden queen trinket from the Lord of the Atlantic Ocean, a tin snuff box from the Lord of the Indian Ocean, and an indigo obsidian amulet from the Lord of the Adriatic Sea. Although Jones was the one who told the Brethren Court how to bind Calypso into human form, he never stopped loving her, and the pain that it caused him was too much to live with. Soon Jones' guilt became so great that he carved out his own heart and locked it away in the dead man's chest. Now, as keeper of the code, it's my duty and responsibility to enforce that of the Piratic Codex. A set of rules here exists known as the Pirate Code. At any given time, you may inquire the keeper of the code, myself, for a reminder of the rule set. All for one, you must work together. Parlay. You are allowed 1 hint per every 15 minutes. As a group, you must vote to decide on parlay. Majority vote in favor of parlay will afford 1 hint. Pieces of 8. There are 9 pieces of 8 scattered and hidden throughout the entire game. Each talisman will award that player who collects the item a special power. It is up to that player to decide when to use that special power. All 9 pieces of 8 must be collected in order to bind Calypso back to her human form and to calm the sea. Beware the Kraken. The Kraken will sound where mistakes are made. If you run into an obstacle, a personal obstacle, you will then set the timer for the time given on that card on your phone and do what that says for that time. At World's End, you will have 60 minutes to escape, completing every puzzle in your path. For now, you must find a way into the sea cavern. You may find some assistance from your environment right here, or a parlay may be invoked to receive a clue. A secret Morse code must be tapped out on that door in order to get them to open for you. We'll start with something easy. What did Jones fall in love with? And I'll give you 1 clue. Dots and dashes hidden beneath the caches. You may begin. Okay, so what we have to do is throw Alex through.
Really say it was this tin snuff box, Lord of the Indian Ocean.
Say it louder.
This is the tin box. Tin snuff box, Lord of the Indian Ocean. I'm not reading everything, but I will give it to Aaron.
Secret ingredient allows you to breathe underwater. Cancels out entry room's obstacle.
You didn't find the obstacle, so.
What's behind the picture frame?
No, you can't go in,
I
man.
thought it was locked. That's why.
What else is in the stuff box?
Sam, she just put it there.
What's in the box?
Nothing that I can know.
You got short little midget fingers.
You're not wrong, but you shouldn't say it.
She's not wrong.
Did you find the Morse code and then not open it? Is that what just happened there?
Yeah.
What? Did you find a photo that not
I'm really about behind picture frames. Should I not behind picture frames?
I think we found
Not right now.
Okay. You tap the C. You have to tap the C and just go over the door.
Tap the C?
Tap it over here. Because she said dots, dots, and this is lines or something.
Dashes.
Yeah. Thanks. It's not the C, it's Calypso. It's like one of those two.
Or C is in S-E-A.
Like, that's like it. Yeah. Yeah. The C. Alexa! Alexa, open the door. Also, of course I found it, but didn't want to do anything with it. It's Karen's job.
What happened?
She can't talk.
Sea turtle that stops a high tide water obstacle. I don't know what that means. You can choose to use that whenever you want. High tide.
High tide. I'm out.
Rough gone. I can't speak for 10 minutes. Oh, I don't like this. What's that?
What does it say?
G.
What's wrong?
Poison, but I have an antidote.
So you're not poisoned?
Yeah, but that doesn't affect me now.
It says that I can't help, but I don't know what that means.
It means you can't do anything.
So I just have to stay here.
Yeah.
Yeah, grab it, bud. Can you not do anything? I can't do anything. If you've been poisoned, you have to go sit down on the couch.
What? Oh, that's right.
Christy, you look good.
Can I help them overcome?
I don't like that it
I've
was
also
wet.
been poisoned.
Yeah, I see this. You choose your bench. Hey,
I'm on timeout.
I'm on timeout.
Maybe you should have antidote. You can cure one person. I had one of those. I cured myself.
What does it say?
You gotta write it down. It's a cure.
You're gonna last down.
It's a cure, Alex.
Would I help?
Yes. You are now cured. I'm sorry.
Okay, not on here, but the things are highlighted. So
Why is it wet? Because it's in the thing.
I think this is a black light pen.
Now what do I do with it? I don't want it.
Let me check. Yeah.
It's an antidote, so you can't do it.
Hi, I'm helping now. I'm helping now.
Clock speed up by 5 minutes.
Clock speed up, Jean.
I'm so sorry. Clock speed up.
But I also have this thing that protects you from high tide.
So now it's 10 minutes. Wait, okay.
The clock speeds up by 2 minutes. Flash of green.
Okay, you lost 12 minutes.
Wait, don't! If you see a purple behavior, don't pick it up.
Whoa, that means I'm not backstabbed anymore then. Now I don't know.
36 minutes.
I'm not. At the same time.
Oh, who's got an antidote? I'm poisoned. I'm also poisoned. I'm still 10 minutes.
You're poisoned again?
Yeah.
You're not allowed out.
Keep eating things. Mine's 5, so hers is 10, so give it to her.
T H I R Y O N Okay, E.
Raise your hand.
Hello.
You can talk.
I can, she can't.
Oh.
Alright.
Hello, me and Mariah found a code. Hello. I found numbers. I don't know what code.
Chaos. Huh? Chaos. Complete and utter chaos.
The talisman from the Mediterranean Sea lies in something where the eye cannot see. Look closely and you may find what you seek will blow your mind. What? These were the chests.
This could be it. Oh, but there's no note in it. I'll hold on to this one. Let's check that there's nothing else first, though. Not Jade, not Jade.
Let's just check this one.
Wait. It could be something bad.
Yeah, well, then we'll check a different one.
Okay, do you want it? Okay, sure. I'll get it. Oh, okay. I can do it if you...
Jade.
Okay, good.
So intense.
Tell them how it was supposed to go.
Yeah. How's it going, Jade?
They didn't follow the first rule, which is you must work together.
Only one vote. She will always
turtle.
What's his name?
I don't know, he feels really edgy. He feels like an edgy teen, so I feel like his name is like Scar. Doesn't the cracking noise mean something? Did we all listen to her at the beginning? I can speak again! Oh god.
It means a mistake was made, right? Yeah, cracking noise.
It means Stephanie's allowed to speak again.
That's a mistake.
Every single person is very large.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
We ruined this
follow rule number 1, which was
What's rule number 1?
Work as a team.
Yeah, you're right.
Should we do like a parlay thing?
Yeah.
Who wants to do a parlay thing?
What's a parlay? Parlay, we're asking for a majority.
Wait, hold on, I have a question. Do you just give us a hint, or do we have to ask you a specific question? Okay, parlay.
Parlay.
We invoke the right of parlay.
Right, yeah.
You want to which ones you found?
Yeah. We have found the goblet.
Wait, I'll stop the clock while you tell me what you
We found the goblet, this card, the jade ring. No, there's 9 pieces of spades. Explore, discover a faux hardcover.
Bookshelf.
So look, guys, explore, discover a faux hardcover. Find a faux hardcover. How do you open the door? Read it.
Now that all 9 pieces of 8 have been collected, you must answer one final question for the door to open. Davy Jones can only step on land once every how many years?
10.
Bye.
We did it!
With 5 minutes and 50 seconds to spare.
It's only 7:49.
It's 7:50, Christy.
My God.
Gianna, how disappointed in us are you?
Is there donuts?
It's our children.
What?
I'm gonna have
That'll be on the bus too.
Wow, you found your booty.
You're